to our chicken biryani factory. Join us as we take you through the journey of crafting authentic, flavorful biryani with the finest ingredients and modern technology.
Temperature check on pallet 3.
Reading at 34 degrees Fahrenheit.
Looks good. Move it to holding.
Batch L459, weight confirmed at 50.2 kilograms.
Acknowledged. Data entered.
To prevent contamination, we must strictly follow the raw meat handling protocols.
Right.
This ensures both safety and quality assurance.
Ensure the pressure is consistent on line 3.
Confirmed, Supervisor.
That piece doesn't meet the standard. All right, I'll trim this one down.
The temperature logs for the morning shift are fully compliant.
Excellent. Make sure the trimming speed stays consistent with the new guidelines.
Check the flow rate on the cardamom line.
Stable at 98%, right within parameters.
The pH is stable at 4.2. Good. The viscosity seems consistent with the last batch.
The sensor readings are all within optimal parameters.
Good.
The visual inspection confirms the seal integrity.
The marinade consistency is excellent. Look at the texture.
Yes, tender and fully coated. This batch is approved.
Everything seems to be in order with the logs. The flavor standards are met.
Agreed. The quality reports confirm compliance. We are clear for the next phase.
The moisture content is spot on.
And the texture is perfect for the biryani layering. This batch is approved.
moisture levels look stable on boiler 4.
Good, we are maintaining optimal elongation.
The moisture content here looks good, well within the target range.
Agreed. The temperature logs are consistent.
Traceability confirmed. We can approve batch 42 for assembly.
Temperature holding steady at 92.
Good. Maintain the stirring speed for another 10 minutes.
Check the uniformity on this tray here. It seems slightly underfilled.
Noted. The rest of the line looks good though.
Pressure levels stable at 15 psi.
Confirmed. Temperature holding steady for the biryani.
The texture is perfect and the moisture content is spot on.
Agreed.
I'll log batch 42B for immediate cooling.
The core temperature is stabilizing nicely.
Good, we are within the target range for the fluffy texture.
Moisture content is holding steady.
Good, good. The texture looks perfect on this batch.
Peak force reading looks stable on this sample.
Agreed. Recording 62.5% moisture. Plate count on the biryani sample is stable.
Good. Check the ENOS results next.
The aroma alone is captivating. The spice balance is perfect.
The lamb biryani is officially approved.
Well done, everyone. It smells amazing.
Check the seal on this one, make sure it's tight. Looks good. Label alignment is correct.
Okay, load confirmed for the city run.
Thumbs up, boss. We're clear.
Seal the bay.
Thank you for joining us on this journey. We are proud to deliver authentic, flavorful chicken biryani made with care. Like, share, and subscribe for more.